Good evening. My name is Clara-Maria Oniceag. I come from Romania, and I'm a student in my graduating year in Dance Academy Zurich. Having the opportunity to share with you a piece of my heart is truly an honor, so thank you. My piece, entitled Duck Lake and Dance Tonight by my amazing friend Medeea Caplea, has started from an honest feeling. Have you ever felt like the odd one out, like a duck swimming among swans, present but somehow never quite fitting into the picture? Growing up often feels like standing in a hallway full of doors, all slightly open, all leading somewhere different. Everyone else seems to know which one is theirs. They talk about dreams, plans, identities, as if these things arrived labeled. Meanwhile, you're still trying to figure out what feels right. You change depending on the room you're in. Is that growth, or are you slowly fading away? There's pressure to succeed, to belong, to become someone worth noticing. You scroll, compare, and wonder why everyone else seems so sure. You ask yourself questions you don't say aloud. Am I enough? Am I too much? Confusion is the space between who you were and who you're becoming. Maybe it's okay not to have all the answers yet. Isn't it brave to admit that you're still figuring things out? Maybe you're not meant to blend in. Maybe you're meant to stand out. So ask yourself, are you trying to become a swan, or are you finally ready to be the duckling you were always meant to be?